Hello, what are we doing today? Today we are launching MTN Izihirwe promotion, a consumer promo that will run for the next 10 weeks. During those 10 weeks, we'll be celebrating with our customers, and we want to reaffirm our commitment that we've got you. In Kinyarwanda, we say, Tubitayeho. We'll be gifting our customers with cash via mobile money, minutes to use for calls, as well as megabytes to use for internet. Total of 100 million Rwandan francs prizes will be gifted to our customers, and a total of minutes as well as megabytes worth 100 million will also be awarded to our customers. There will be daily prizes, weekly prizes, monthly prizes, as well as